Hello and welcome to Easy On Seat Covers. Say goodbye to old-fashioned complicated installations. Easy On is a breeze to install. In this video we will show you how easy it is to install the real seat cover. Much less expensive than custom-made seat covers. In the kit that you receive you will find 8 Velcro straps, which are the heart of the Easy On system. You'll begin by attaching the Velcro to the back of the seat, securing each strap with their buckles. Do the same for the bottom of the seat. And by the way, the Velcro is a neutral color and will not bleed or stain your original seat material. Begin by lifting up the rear seat, turn it over, and secure the 3 Velcro straps with their buckles. Then fold down the back of the seat and secure the Velcro straps with their buckles. When you're installing the Velcro straps, make sure the smooth side of the Velcro faces the seat and the rough side faces out. Insert the Velcro strap through the center slot on the buckle, then pull the strap through the top slot of the buckle and tighten it up. This will make the strap secure. Once in place, you can then proceed to remove the headrests and lay the seat cover on the back of the seat, smoothing it out as you go along. Once the cover is in place, locate the headrest holes and with the scissor carefully make a hole in the cover that will be smaller than the headrest hole. Then pull the cover over the hole so that it goes under the rubber or plastic grommet. Next, you will do the same for the seat belt openings. To make for a neater installation, use a ballpoint pen to make an outline on the seat cover that's smaller than the seat belt opening. Then cut out the opening and fit the cover to the seat. For the headrests themselves, lay out the headrest cover and secure with the Velcro as shown here. Then reinstall the headrests. Next, make another hole for the lever that lowers the seat back. Remember to make the hole smaller than the lever opening. For the armrest opening, attach the middle piece to the sides with the zippers, leaving some space at the top. Reinstall the middle headrest and fold over the excess material so that it will make a neat fit as you push it under the headrest. Now the back of the seat is finished. Next, lay out the cover material on the bottom of the seat, tucking it between the back seat and bottom seat as you go along. Now lift up the bottom of the seat and secure the covers to the Velcro straps. You can secure the elastic bands with the hooks provided as shown here. This is what it should look like when you're finished. Turn the seat over and adjust the material again between the seat back and seat bottom. You can now carefully cut out the holes for the seat belts. And here is your finished seat. Just have patience and you will achieve the same results. And thank you again from Easy On Seat Covers.